In this video, let me show you how to get more residents in Kingshot. The primary way to increase your number of residents in Kingshot is by upgrading your houses or building as many houses as possible. Once you construct or level up houses, especially by increasing the number of beds, more residents will automatically begin to populate your kingdom. The biggest advantage is that house upgrades directly lead to increased population without needing extra steps. Residents arrive automatically as your housing improves. However, a downside is that you may hit a limit if you've already built all available houses and still need higher level materials or time to upgrade them further. So, to grow your population, focus on building and upgrading houses, particularly increasing bed capacity. That is essentially how you can gain more residents and Kingshot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.